Dear visitors, to reduce congestion at toll stations, we have introduced an electronic toll collection system. How does it work? At toll stations, there are now cameras that record your transit. So it's no longer necessary to stop, you just need to slow down and pass through. After your journey, visit our website and check the charges for your vehicle. For example, we will check the charges for a vehicle with license plate BG1234QQ. We see that the vehicle had 4 transits, 2 in one day and 2 in different days. 3 daily tickets cost 900 dinars. A weekly ticket costs 800 dinars and is valid for 7 days from the first entry. An annual ticket costs 2000 dinars and is valid for 1 calendar year. Our system offers a weekly ticket as the most affordable option. We will leave this option selected and proceed to the payment. How to pay. Payment can be made by a credit card or you can generate a payment slip. Paying with a card. When paying with a card, enter the following information: full name of the cardholder, your email address, phone number, your postal or zip code, address, city, and if paying is a legal entity, also enter the company tax ID. Keep in mind that only fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Click on the option Proceed to Payment. Check all information one more time and confirm that you agree with our terms of use. Click on the Pay with Card. Enter your credit card number, name of the cardholder, and expiry date of the card. In the last field, enter security code located in the back of your card. Security code on some cards contains more than 3 digits, but only the last 3 are needed. Once you are sure that all information is entered correctly, click on Pay. If everything went right, expect an email confirmation that the payment was successful. Generating a payment slip. Type in the email address to receive the receipt. And if you want to pay as a legal entity, type in the company tax ID. The system will generate a payment slip, which you can save to your computer or phone, or print it out and take it to the bank or post office. The payment slip also includes QR code for the mobile banking payments. It's important to generate a new payment slip for each payment. Paying in advance. If you want to prepay for your trip, after typing in the license plate, click on the Pay in Advance. Select your dates and proceed to the payment methods. If you find that you owe money for unpaid trips that you never made, or you haven't even visited the national park, reach out to us through email before making any payments so we can resolve this error as soon as possible. Mistakes like this are unlikely but happen when cameras misread license plates, and we're doing our best to minimize these errors.